My name is Kenneth Green. How I heard about Semper Solaris is that I'm an avid news watcher, and I was just so impressed about what they did for the military community. I was in the U.S. Army, Sergeant First Class E7. As a veteran, I appreciate the fact that this is a company that employs veterans. When I contacted Semper Solaris, they referred me to a salesperson. He was very informative about the process and the steps it would take. When the workers came to do the install, they were conscientious and they were very easy to communicate with, and I was just so pleased with the installation. What I got from Semper Solaris was the solar panels, the battery storage, 2 10 kilowatt-hour batteries. For using the new lithium-ion technology, they have a longer life, and the control units and the interface to the utilities. And after having it for just 1 month, it went from $350 to $47. I think it's so important to give back to the people that served this country, and Semper Solaris does so much to reward these people that sacrifice for this country. And I appreciate the fact that they're going to continue with the discounts to the military. I would definitely recommend Semper Solaris. This is the company to go to because they have your back.